What's going on, BSG? So today I'm not going to do an intro. We're just going to get into it, man, and get going on this next project, which is I have to do much needed work on my truck, a Silverado, and I got to get out here early. As you can see, we are super early. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, so can't make too much noise as of yet. But we're going to get on here and get these rear brakes done. I've been neglecting that forever. So let me get my stuff together, man, and we're gonna get going on it. All right, BSG. So one of the things we gotta do, since you see that don't wanna come off, we need to take a long screw like this, leave us an M10, screw it in there, and this should push the brakes off. Should push this hub off. That's weird. Never seen that before in my life. To do that. But it helps. Let's see if we can get it off now. Now I gotta do the other side. Been neglected, man. I've been meaning to do them, but I just haven't did it. Okay. Y'all can see that pretty well. It's coming out. See that? It's coming out. Alright guys, so let me show you what we got going here. So this piece here broke, and it went on and took off the other side, and the other side is broke as well. Matter of fact, the other side don't even have the spring or the pin in it. On one of the sides it's gone. Don't know how that happened, but you see this crap here is all nasty and everything. It's even worse on the other side. In fact, I didn't even check to see if I had a wheel, not a wheel, but a wheel seal broke. But I don't think I do. Let's take a look right quick. Never know. See, look at all this crap here, all over the place here. Look at all that build up right there. But what I'm thinking is all this is dirt, because look at the grooves, all nasty. So what I'm thinking is that this truck, I've had this truck for a few years now, but before me, because I bought it used. This truck, I believe, was on a farm. So that is I've been finding a lot of dirt everywhere, all over the place. So, or either it was damn running through mud with this truck. So that's neither here or there. I had to go and I went and bought a kit, a brand new brake kit. So we are going to do all this stuff here. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do it all. So with that being said, let's get down to work. Matter of fact, and I'm glad I got the other side off, because I kind of, if I don't forget what I'm doing on this side, I reference it from the other side. So let's go. So here's our shoes. Old ones, new ones, which you can see that. I'm just making sure that we put them back on the same way we took them off. So I'm gonna spray some brake cleaner in here, then clean this down. Then I'm going to, in fact, I'm gonna scrape it off first. Get this crap out of there. Ah, you biscuit. Let me put y'all down. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this right here back in. Oh boy. Okay. Let's see if we can do that like that. says left side, and it's nice in there too. That's great. Let's see if we can get this on here. That's it. I don't need to adjust it or nothing because it slid right on there. Now hopefully this will stop all this grinding. But y'all see how this works, how I did it, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the next side, and we're gonna end the video right there, y'all. So it's not hard, it's just a little bit different. I've never screwed in M10 screws to push the hub off, but hell, I can understand why, because everything, I guess they already know this stuff breaks in here. So this stuff was broke, stuff on the other side was broke, and if it wasn't for that, I wouldn't have got it off. So we're gonna end the video right there, like I said, and you guys, hey, like, comment, subscribe, man, and we're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.